Hey guys, what's up? You're here with Pull Up Productions. We are on our way to go host our 4th Texas Cash Roll Night. The Cash Roll Night of the month. It's Trick or Street. So right now we got 2 horsepower ranges. One is 400 through 500 and the other one is 600 through 800. Both of those classes got a deep 11 car field. So I got 22 cars that are gonna throw it down for some cash and a crown. See who is king of these horsepower ranges tonight. So I do want to note that I didn't get all the drivers runs on video, but hope y'all appreciate the runs that I do post. And yeah, man, let's get into it. I'll catch y'all right now at the spot. All right, got everybody here? Eric? Not here. Mike? Will? Tony? Okay. The M2, the blue M2. Okay. Jada, he's not here. Christian. Okay. No. For the 400 through 500. C6. Yeah. Okay. What's up, bro? The Infinity, the okay. Cloud Maker. Where's Cloud Maker at? All right, bro. Nate Dog. Okay, bro. And Chris. Is it Chris, right? Mondo. All right, guys. So let's see. Is 1, 2.
No Kings weekend. No King.
All right, bro. There's 11 of y'all in this field. That's 6 pairs. So right now we're gonna do the number draw in the hat. Whatever number you pick from the hat, and whatever number I call. So if it's 1s or 2s, that's the number that you're gonna be paired up with. Y'all want to talk about first round call outs, or y'all just want to just gamble it and see who picks who? Just gamble it? Just draw? Okay. Buy back in? Do y'all want to buy back in? Y'all want to buy back in? 100. All right, that's 1 vote.
Let's do it. Okay.
Buy back in?
That's more money in the pot, no?
Yeah, if you buy back in. Okay, so we'll do buy back in. And let me see. Hold on.
60 to 130.
Oh yeah, the mile an hour is capped at 140.
140.
140. So the mile an hour is capped at 140. So you can do, y'all, if y'all want to gamble a 30 roll, 40 roll, or 50 roll, or 60 roll, the mile an hour is capped at 140. Oh, there's nothing above that. Y'all want to go to 130, y'all can do that too. But the mile an hour is capped at 140. Whoever has a 360 on their car or GoPro, and if the race is close, whoever has the 360 on the car, I'm just gonna go off of that view. Okay, and I'm gonna make the last. I'm gonna make the final call on that race. Let me see what else. And if y'all don't agree on a roll, it's gonna be a coin flip. Okay, so a lot of y'all have different power bands. A lot of y'all's power comes in at a different RPM. So I'm expecting a lot of coin flips. Let me see. If the person you are paired up with cannot go to the next round, no, wait. If you cannot move on to the next round, the person you were paired up with was gonna move on to the next round. Okay. Let's see. And I got sad news. My plug for the stickers slack, so I ain't get no stickers this time. So I know a lot of y'all asked for the stickers. I'm sad about it too. Um, okay. And then my next, let's see, am I missing anything? My next thing, the route that I want to do, I try to want to get all the cars to hit it and not in, and on the same road. So with that being said, the 400 through 500, which way y'all want to hit it? Y'all want to hit it going that way, or y'all want to hit it coming this way? Oh, before I get on to that, all runs are one and done. So you fuck up, you spin, that's on you. You need to hit those motherfucking tires up and heat them up good. Um, so yeah, with that being said, what y'all want to do? Y'all want to hit a lick that way, or y'all want to hit a lick coming back?
Y'all do know about that time that's on the highway?
Where at? It moved?
Yeah, I know what people hit the tire.
Oh shit. Okay, let's move though. Okay, appreciate you, Doug. Appreciate you. Okay. So yeah, which way y'all want to go? Y'all want to go that way, or y'all want to hit it back this way? Huh? Hit that way? Okay.
We turn around by the other show.
No. So
We keep going.
no, so if we're all agreeing to hit it that way, we're gonna come out, we're gonna do we're gonna stay on the access road.
Okay.
We're gonna do the turnaround under the highway and then come this way. You're gonna the on ramp to get on the highway is about like somewhere right here. So don't line up right here. Once you come down to the 1604 exit, you can line it up. That's the flattest area on this highway. So that's the area I'm shooting for.
So basically after 1604.
No. Before 1604. Yeah. So like once you're coming down from right here, it gets flat. So that's where you just start lining up, and hit it.
Should it be like 3 runs or just 1 run?
No, all runs are one and done. Yeah, yeah, no, yeah. So that's if whoever you get paired up with don't agree to your role, he wants to do a different role, you're gonna have to coin for it, bro. So that's the gamble. That's the gamble of it. So, all right. With that being said, what else? Am I missing anything else? Oh yeah, the countdown. Whoever you get paired up with, y'all want to discuss who will count it down, and y'all need to demonstrate how you're gonna count it down. I want all clean hits. Like I said, all races are one and done, bro. So whether you go or you don't go, that's it. So if it's on camera, I'm gonna make the call on it. So yeah, so whoever's counting down, just make y'all countdowns clear, bro. Y'all can either agree on a 3 count or just one drop arm.
Wait, is it jump or rerun? Jump is a rerun?
No, it's all one and done. It's a race. It's a race. It's a race. So before y'all count down, you need to give a thumbs up. The other guy needs to give you a thumbs up that he's ready, and y'all get it. So, yeah, y'all ready? Am I missing anything? Anybody got any questions for this category? I got you down, bro. I got you down. All right, so y'all ready? For the 400 through 500 class, y'all ready? Good old shake. Shake and bake. All right. For the 400 through 500, come get your spot. Just grab one ticket. I got one more. One's a buy ring. I got one more. Who didn't grab one?
Who's missing?
Oh, Jada, right? No, was it? One more. Did you grab one? You grabbed one. All right. One.
The ones. One.
You got one. Ooh. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Where the coins from the car wash? Go get them. Go get the coins from the car wash.
I'll meet you at 55.
Oh. So what y'all lock in? 55 to 130? All right, twos. Twos.
You gotta buy Mustang. Like
Threes. Ooh. Okay, okay, okay. Little heavyweight action going down. Okay, okay. Okay. What roll y'all trying to agree on? 50, 50 to what? 140, 130. 130? 50, 130? Fours. Ooh, okay, okay. What's up? What roll y'all want to do? 50, 130? It was C6 versus Infinity. What was it? 50, 130? Fives. Ooh, okay, okay, okay. What's up? Whatever roll you want, bro. You want to do a 40 or 50? You want to gamble a lower roll? 6130? Coin flip? Coin flip? Alright. He drove the furthest, so he gets to pick. What do you want? Heads or tails? Renee. Where's Renee at? Come flip this shit. I want to hear you. Alright, so you pick heads, right? Alright, you pick heads. Heads.
I'm just gonna throw it up in the air and let it fall. I'm not catching it. Okay. Y'all ready? Yeah. Who's calling it? Who's calling it? You already called heads. You call it. You want to call it in the air or? I already called it. Heads. Yeah. You ready? Tails.
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 So what? 130. Sixes.
Six?
Yeah.
Oh,
Six. Woo! Okay, okay,
I'm gonna go
okay.
with the 30. I'm gonna hit you with the 30. You know that. You know that. You're gonna have to. I'll do it. Nope. 30. Go flip for it.
All right. Renee.
I'll go ahead.
Going head. I'm gonna just stay here. Yeah. I got head. Got head.
Heads.
Yeah, that's it.
That's heads.
30. 30 roll.
30 what? 30 what?
30 to 130.
What do you want?
30 to 140. I'll do 140.
All right. You do 140? What? Y'all gonna flip for it? Y'all gonna flip
Flip
that
for
too?
it again. For the 130. Yeah.
Boy, come on, you know. Come on.
All right. Give me it at least. Who's calling what?
I'll do heads again.
Heads again? Oh, that's what I got, bro.
Tails? 30 to 130?
30 to 130.
All right. Yeah. Drivers. Yeah. Do y'all wanna bet some money on y'all's run? Anybody wanna bet some money on the run? No. Anybody want to side bet on this shit?
I got.
No. Okay. All right. So I got another question. Hey, I got another question. For the buy run, do y'all want that driver to make a hit, or y'all just want him to go roll out and just cruise?
What do y'all think?
Takes a hit. Take a hit. You got to make a hit, bro. All right. So, 1, 2, 3. All right. So Mike, Tony, the Dodge Ram, the Scat Pack, and the AMG. Y'all are the first three pair. Y'all are the first three pairs out. So if y'all want, I can lead the way so that way y'all can go check it out. All right. So like I said, y'all gonna heat up y'all's tires. Once we do the turnaround under the highway, y'all can heat them up there.
Who's running it first? Yeah. Who's running it first?
Mike and Tony, the Dodge Ram gets a buy run. The Scat Pack AMG gets and the Scat Pack and AMG are the third pair. I'm not trying to have all 6 pairs out right now. I'm just gonna do. So yeah, hey, y'all need time to air y'all's tires out or down or upload y'all's 360s. Y'all need to do that right now.
Hey, real quick, you said the Byron gets the hit?
No. The buy run is gonna make a hit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, there's 10 of y'all in this field. The pot's at 1650. This class is running for $1,650. So I got Charles M4, Danny with the Demon, Don with the AMG, Chris with the blue Gen 3. What's the homie with the what's your name, bro? Juan with the Z01, Active Hellcat, Eric ZR1, JT's F150, and I got Chris's Crystal Red 50 and Travis's GT 500. Well, those are the guys in this category. That being said, I don't know if y'all heard me the first time. All runs are gonna be one and done. Um, let me see. All runs are gonna be one and done. You can y'all wanna discuss the first round call out, or y'all just wanna do the number draw. Do the number draw. Okay. Can you hold this real quick? Do the number draw. Let me see. Y'all wanna do buyback ins? Huh? Who? Oh, okay. Okay. Y'all want to do buyback ins or no? I got one vote.
One and done it? Yeah. All right, cool. One and done.
Okay. All right. Well, I can't do the number draw until one of the other drivers gets back, bro. So. Um, yeah. There's. Huh? Nah, cause I got a guy is swapping wheels. They're sharing wheels, so I can't do that. Oh.
Christian.
I mentioned it beginning of the week. It was gonna be a long night.
They're like.
So yeah, there's 10 of y'all, so that's 5 pairs. Nah, he's right here. He's putting up. Am I missing anything? Okay. Y'all already know if y'all can't agree on the road, we're gonna coin flip for that shit. And that's the starting point and the finish mile an hour. Let me see. For the spectators, if y'all want to see these runs, please do not chase the guys. Just let the pairs, whatever pairs go out, just see it from the right angle or whatever, or be behind them. Just don't chase them. And same shit. If you're person you are paired up with, if you cannot make it to the next round, the person you were paired up that round is gonna make it to the next round. What's up? With that being said, which way y'all want to hit it? Y'all want to hit it going that way or going this way?
Which way did y'all go this time?
We went that way. You guys want to hit it going that way? Okay. No. It's just you're gonna stay on the access road and get under the highway. If you're gonna warm up your tires when you after you do the turnaround. Coming back this way on the access road. It's all right. It's all right. Let me see. Yeah, like I don't know, like I mentioned, all runs are one and done, bro. So make y'all's first one the good one. If the race is close, whoever has a 360 on that car, I'm gonna go off that view. And then yeah, my sticker plug fucking slacked on me for this round too, so that kind of sucks. All right, once I'm done with y'all, once I'm done with this round, I'm gonna go back to the 400 through 500, so that way y'all's cars can cool down and then go back into that. Is that cool? Yeah, like I said, the pot's at 1650. Oh, make y'all's first one the good one, dog. Where's he at? It's down here. Okay. Oh yeah. All right. With that being said, are y'all ready? With that being said, y'all ready? Okay. All right. Y'all ready? I'll pick y'all's number. Just grab one number. Just grab one number.
All I feel is the crown. Damn. Oh, Chuck.
Woo! So yeah, like I mentioned, the on ramp is gonna be right here. So try to hit it once y'all like come down when it gets flat. And then the exit is the one coming after 1604. It's gonna be the first exit after 1604. All right, y'all ready? All right, ones. Ooh, okay. Little GT 500 versus Hellcat. Okay. Would y'all lock in? Would y'all lock in? What was it? 1640. You want to demonstrate how you're gonna count? Want to demonstrate how you're gonna count? You give them the thumbs up. You give them the thumbs up. You ready? Okay. No, twos.
Again, Chuck.
Mm. Okay.
So sorry. Chuck. Sorry. I wouldn't want it to be nobody else.
What do you want to do? You want to?
Let's do 60 to 140. I know you like your 40, so we could push for it. I'll get you a 50. 50 to 140. Okay.
5140.
You want to count? Oh, I can count. You want to go on the left side? 1, 2, 3. All right. Yeah.
You want to handicap? You want to handicap it or no? You want to hit up?
No, I'm straight. I want to see how it runs.
Nice. I like it.
Threes. Ooh. Okay. Little Z01 versus ZR1. Okay. Would y'all log in? 55 140. Fours. Ooh, okay. Little ESS versus Demon. What was it? 6150. Fives. Oh, okay.
You kept that 142, the 6800?
No. No, that was just for because that horsepower level. There's no need for those guys to go 150.
What do you prefer? 50 or 60, up to you. What you got? ESS car? XP? 60? Yeah. That's cool, yeah. 60 or what? 140? You want to go 150? 60 and 140 is pretty short, bro.
Y'all want to flip for it?
I want to see that. Flip for it if you want. 50 to 140? I got 500 on wheels. Flip for 50 to 150. I want to go to 150. Good.
I got 500 on.
All right.
Jesse, I got 500 on Jesse.
La verga, I do too.
150, I won't go.
Who picks what?
You want to call in the air?
Yeah, I got 10.
You got.
Tim? Let it drop.
What is that?
Oh, no,
Tails.
la verga, right next to the spit.
Watch out.
So,
Watch out with
so
that.
What was the starting point? 50 to 150. You want to flip? You want to flip for the end point?
That's what we flipped for. He wanted to do 52.
Oh, so y'all agreed on the
He
50?
wanted 140.
Yeah. That's
Okay, so it was for the 140, 150.
I thought you said 60 to 1 iron, whatever. Yeah.
Oh, you can flip again. I don't care.
No,
50
no,
or 60, it don't matter.
Yeah, no, it's good.
50.
Yeah, but it don't matter.
50, 150? Okay, yeah.
Okay.
What car? What car you got? Fucking good turbo truck. Oh, la verga. Oh, shit.
He said, "A la verga." Oh, shit.
1, 2, 3.
That last one he needs us. I pulled on.
Oh, yeah.
Another car. Or maybe half a car.
Again, bro, like, that shit is so silly. Y'all never seen this shit.
Guys, Volkswagen GTR is a road race winner of the 400 to 500 horsepower class. Here's your crown, bro. Go. You know what I'm saying? And then this is what? 1,000?
1,050.
It's 1,050
and then 100 on Cash
and I
App.
got 100 on Cash App if you want. catch that? Okay. We can do that right now. You wanna flex it on the car, or what? You wanna take a picture, or what?
Yeah, I'll take a picture.
Let me see me.
Don't let it blow away. It's kind of windy
Oh
outside.
yeah, never mind.
No, you good. You
Just
good.
put it-
Do it.
just
Yeah,
do
you
it
got
when
to
you
do
spray
it.
it,
You
but
got to.
arm spray it.
You got to. It's good. You'll spray. No, just turn the car. You can spray. Sure. Put the camera on. Spray it out. Spray it out.
It's gonna slide.
Yeah.
I think for like 2 cars or so.
Yeah, I saw. Yeah, they were showing me that the video is like once y'all got like settled in, you just got stuck.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. I think like at 170 we got stuck.
It was just like one of those races where like if you would have fucked up, we would have fucked up. But it was.
I think we hit like 195.
Yeah, he was saying y'all bumped it. Y'all stretched it out. Y'all, I know y'all stretched it out because y'all went up fucking already.
Yeah,
y'all were on the brakes on top of 1604. So I was all like, oh nah, this was stretched it out.
Yeah, we win. So.
Y'all were going. Okay, bro. I appreciate you. Always winner of nice event. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Jay.
Good. 600 through 800 horsepower Tricker Street cash roll night race winner.